Meaning of herbicide.
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 Herbicide. Herbicide refers to a type of pesticide that is specifically designed to kill or control unwanted plants. It is commonly used in agriculture, horticulture, and landscaping to remove or suppress weeds. By targeting the photosynthesis process or interrupting the plant's growth hormones, herbicides can effectively prevent the growth and reproduction of unwanted plant species. While herbicides can be effective and efficient in managing unwanted vegetation, they can also have negative environmental impacts if not used properly. Overuse or misuse of herbicides can lead to soil degradation, water pollution, and harm to non-target organisms.